Planning to relocate your vehicle to Egypt and land it in Port Said? Whether you're moving abroad or exporting a car for business, this journey requires careful planning. In this video, we'll walk you through cost estimates, shipping methods, documentation, and what to expect on delivery day. Here are the numbers. Exporting a car to Port Said generally starts around $2,600 for a dedicated 20-foot container service through ocean freight. Transit time can be around 25 to 45 days, depending on origin, shipping route, and clearance. Start by getting a detailed quote from a trusted international car shipping company that includes container or roll-on roll-off RoRo options and destination charges. Next, prepare your vehicle. Clean it, document its condition with photos, check that tires and fluids are appropriate, remove personal items, and gather documents like the title, registration, and proof of ownership. Finally, verify destination access. In Port Said, you'll need to know about port procedures, customs duties, local delivery, and any import restrictions. You'll choose between container shipping, which offers enclosed protection and may allow you to include extra items, ideal for high-value vehicles. Roll-on roll-off, a lower-cost option where the car is driven or rolled aboard the vessel. You'll also decide between a dedicated container just for your car or a shared container to reduce costs. Don't forget insurance and big-picture tracking. Your car is in transit for weeks, so you want visibility and protection. Upon arrival in Port Said, your car goes through customs clearance. You'll present documentation, pay any duties, and comply with import regulations. When your car is unloaded, inspect it carefully. Compare its condition to your pre-shipping photos, note any damage, and ensure your shipment matches the bill of lading. Finally, arrange for local delivery to your destination address or an agreed drop-off location. There you have it, a full roadmap for shipping your car to Port Said. With structured planning, the right provider, and proper documentation, you'll get your car delivered smoothly and ready for the next chapter.